In today's tutorial today, I want to walk you through how you can design this student campaign social media flyer in Photoshop. So let's head into our new file and just click on the new file. I'm using 4 by 5 inches in this tutorial. Let's use our project. So resolution 300 RGB color, so you can create your project. So this is how your interface will look like. So this one, I'll head into my adjustments. I'll click on the solid color. So in this, I want to use this particular color code, which is that I'm using 01012600. That is the first color code that I want to use here. You click OK like this. So the next step is to create a new layers. I'll create a new layer like this. So I will just click on this particular color, which is the one I just want to put some like this. I'll see this color code 1A861B. I'll click OK. So I'll head into my brush. So I'll click on this guy. I'll let my size should be like this, 600. So I'll let my adding should be 0. I'll just click on the search round brush. I'll click on the outside. So if your brush is showing the icon like this, you just on off your backlog. So you can increase your brush, which is you are pressing your bracket. So you just fade it like this. So the next step is to head into your blend. So you just click on this screen, so you can expand it a little bit. Just set it very well. So in the next step is in this particular one is to edit our resources. So we want to bring this particular fingerprint, which is the icon one, right? So I'll just drop it till I'll click OK. I'll right click again. I'll click on rasterize layer. So after that, I'll just head into you can see this particular one, magic number 2. I'll click on the magic number 2. I'll just click on it like this. I'll just press backspace on my keyboard. I'll click on the Ctrl D to deselect, right? Which is really good for me. So the magic that I want to do here in this particular one, I want to change this color to white. I'll just head into my effects. I'll click on the color overlay. It will automatically change it to white for us. I'll just click OK again, which is really good for me. Next step is to arrange this very well, which is I'll put it to the fitting ways. I'll head into my opacity. I'll reduce my opacity like this. I think BV is okay for me. I think this is fine for me. The next step in this album, I'll just click on this fingerprint. I'll duplicate it, which is I'll hold my Alt to duplicate, so I can reduce it like this. So I can set it like this. So you can see this particular one. I'll click OK. I'll click the layer mask for it. So when it's already to my brush, let's see your brush should be foreground brush should be black. So I will just clean some parts that you don't want to see, which is really good for me. Arrange it very well to the fitting that you want. So the next step in this particular one is heading to let's click heading to my text. I'll click on the text like this, so I can change this color to white. I'll change this color to white. I'll click OK. So I'll head into my character, which is I'm using this particular font, which is the Diamond Gothic. So I can make it bold like this. Just make it bold like this. I can set it very well. I think this text is very bold like that. And let me choose bold like this. I think this is okay for me. Yeah, I think I like this like this. So I'll arrange it very well. The next step in this particular one is just hold your shift like this. Straight the text like this. Straight it up. Don't worry. which is I'll click OK again. I can centralize it, which is I think it's okay like this. For me, the something I want to do here is I'll just create a new layer like this. So I will copy this particular color and see this color, which is then D6 FFD0. I'll right click again, I'll copy it. So don't worry. So I will head into my polygon tools. So I want to do some trick there. So I can start like this. I will do it like this. Which is really good for me. I'll right click again. I'll click on my field. So I'll click on this guy. So I'll just click on the color like this. You can see it's very set on the color that I want. Let me paste it like this. I'll click OK. I'll click OK again. So to create it, you can see it will create this particular one. So one thing I want to do here is I'll click the outside like this. I'll click on Ctrl D to deselect. So I need to my blend. So I'll just click on the multiply. So I can reduce the opacity a little bit and reduce this small. Yeah. I can reduce it more like this. I think it's okay for me like this. So you can see it. So the next step in this particular one is to arrange it this very well. Like this. So don't worry. The next step is to head into our resources again. I want to bring this particular logo and drop it here like this. So I'll just put it at the top like this. So I can press Ctrl A to align. That's it. Ctrl D to deselect, which is really fine for me, which is good. So the next step in this one, I'll head into my rectangle and see it. I will just draw my rectangle like this. Start from here. You can see this is the gradient that I use. So I'll show you let me double click here like this. Let me show you the color code that I use. I'll click here. So I'll click on the left color code, which is the CBF8C3, which is the first color code, and the last color code, which is by the right. I think this is the F8FEF2, which is I'll click OK again. That is I'll click OK again. So that is how I achieve this. You can see it. I think that is fine. The next step is to bring student image. I'll just drop it here like this. I've already removed the background, so you don't need to remove background. So I'll arrange it like this, put it here. It fits in very well. Just put it like this. You can see the next step is to write the names, which is I'll head into my text again. So I'll change this particular font. I'm using Pictree. So I'll click on the Pictree. So I'll change this. So I'll change this to bold, which is okay for me. I can click on the black. I'll click OK. The next step in this particular one is I'll click on the FX. I'll click on the gradient overlay. So we want to change this. You can see it. So let me show you the color code that I use here. So the first color code by the left, which is the 4AD04E. That is the first color code. And the second color code, which is by the right, which is the last one, right? 143F13. I'll click OK again. I'll click OK again. I can copy my CSS here like this. I'll just click OK, which is really good. So I'll set my projects very well. So I can arrange it like this. I'll just put it here. Let me zoom in, see what I'm doing. I can reduce it like this. I think this is okay for me. Okay, it's fine. So next step is to write the name again. So I'll just make it bold. Arrange it very well. So I'll just arrange it very well like this. So I'll duplicate this particular text. Duplicate this. So I'll write the second name. I'll click OK. So I'll just set it very well. Can make it closer. And do this one too. I think this is okay. So let's write the last names. I'll click OK again. So I'll just reduce it like this. I'll set it so like this. So I'll head into my character. So I can stretch this. Let me use 200. Let me use 500. For this, so I can use it a little bit. I'll click OK. Arrange it very well. Yeah, I think that is fine for me. You can see this text, all these names is not, the clarity is not much like that. The one thing in this particular one is I'll click on the image. So I'll click the new layers. So I'll set my foreground color should be white, head into my brush. So I just want to do some. You can see it. So if it is affecting all these background like this, we click OK. We take the new layers. So head into your brush again. You can reduce your brush. You can clean these parts like this. And you can see it. Just clean this part like this. I think it's okay for me. I think I like it like this. The next step in this particular one is head into our rectangle again. Just want to draw this like this. So I'll arrange it very well. Set it like this. So I'll head into my FX. I'll click on the gradient overlay. So I'm using this particular color code. So I'm using this particular color code for it. So I already show you the color code. So I'll click OK again. So I'll arrange it very well and make it closer like this. So the next step is I'll just head into my text again. I want to write this. I'll click OK. So I head into my character. So you can see this particular one, I'll turn it to 0. So I can make it bold like this. Can make it bold like this, which is really good for me. I'll click OK. So I'll head into my field. I'll reduce the field to 0, which is good. I'll head into my FX. I'll click on this stroke. I think 2 is okay for me. So we can copy all these sizes. I'll click OK again. Yeah. So the next step is to write this particular text, which is that one right now. Just follow me. I'm just writing it. I'll set it here like this. Arrange it, set it here like this. I can use like semi-bold for it. Arrange it very well. So let me write, because of our time, let me go and copy this. Copy this like this. Just paste it in. Just align it very well. I'll make this one closer so you can see it. This particular I'll duplicate it. This I'll press Ctrl J. I'll press Ctrl T to transform. I'll put it here like this. I'll right click again. I'll turn it to rotate 90 counter clockwise, which is I will do it like this. I can put it here, which is really good for me. So the next step is to write the director of social, which I'll click on this text. I'll click OK again. So I'll just reduce it like this. And see it. Just reduce it like this. I'll click OK. I think that is fine for me. So the next step is adding to my resources again. I want to bring this guy. I'll drop it here like this. So I'll click OK again. I'll right click. So I'll click on the rasterize layer. So I'll head into my, let me use a magic eraser tool. So I'll just click like this. So I can reduce it. I will just, I'll set it, I'll put it here. Which is really good for me. So our design is almost 30 shapes. So the next step is to write into our resources again and bring this custom mode. Yeah. Let me zoom in, see what I'm doing there. So I'll just put it here like this. I'll set the custom mode here, put it here like this. You can see it. I think our design is really almost finished. I think this is okay for me. So next thing is to check all the designs that we designed. It's very important. So I arrange everything very well. Everything is correct. So I think this is fine for me and this is good for me. So if this tutorial is helping you a lot and you are gaining a lot in this tutorial, like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorial, turn on the notification bell, and share with your fellow designers. So thank you very much. Thank you everybody. Peace out. See you in my next episode. Bye for now.